female. I finally got a female pheasant. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, I'm ecstatic. I am ecstatic. I finally got a female pheasant. Oh, I'm ecstatic. She was really in there. I'm actually ecstatic. She's still warm too. Hey, John here. I'm absolutely ecstatic. I finally just got my first female pheasant. Check this out. This bird has eluded me for years. They're so quiet, they're so stealthy, and look how camouflaged. I'm hunting by myself. I have no hunting dog. I have no hunting partner. By myself. And I finally got a female pheasant. I am so ecstatic, so happy right now. I've been wanting to get one of these for years. You can see why they're so hard to get. They blend in with everything. The trees, the woods, the grass. I snuck up on her. I was going super quiet, stealthy, walking as slow as I possibly could. I seen her. She popped her head up and I had to shoot that fast. I don't think I ever shot that fast. But I am extremely happy right now. My first ever female pheasant, Berks County, Pennsylvania. I am one happy hunter. All right, I'm allowed one more yet today. You're allowed 2 per day. So on to my next one. I'm freaking ecstatic. Man, did I make my day big time. I'm so happy. Thank you, Jesus. I'm so happy right now. All right, let's try and get another one. Well, one more today yet. Yes, 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 and yes. Thank you, Jesus. Oh man, I'm ecstatic. Yes, 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 and yes. I think I should be emptying this, but just in case he's still alive. I don't think he is. Looks like an instant kill shot. Let him expire. I think that's just his nerves going. Man, look how sneaky and stealthy they are. I can hear another one up ahead. Let him expire. Oh man, I'm so happy. Got a female and a cockbird. think he's dead. Let's go get my bird. Crawling through the woods, got burned, but it's worth it. Look at that beautiful cockbird, man. Oh, it's a beauty. Look at the colors on him. I'll have to crawl through here too, I guess. Oh, look how beautiful that bird is. Make sure he's dead. Looks like it was an instant kill shot. Still breathing. Nope, I think he's dead. Man, that's a beautiful bird. Oh, he's dead. Just want to make sure. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful, beautiful bird. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Alright, I just got my second bird. I got a cockbird. This is probably one of the best days of hunting I ever experienced. Got a female and I got a male. All within a short period of time. I'm here in Berks County, Pennsylvania. Look how beautiful this bird is. Gorgeous bird. I had no misses today. I fired 2 rounds, 2 for 2. 2 shots, 2 birds, no misses. I used steel shot this time. I want to try something different. I usually use lead, but I figured I'd try the steel shot to see how it works. That steel shot works big time. Look how beautiful this male pheasant is. It's a male ringneck pheasant, also known as a cockbird. Second one of the day. One of the best days of hunting I ever had. I'm extremely happy. I'm done. I'm out of here. I got 2 birds before the snowstorm. They're calling for 1 to 5 inches of rain, sleet, and snow today. It's supposed to start after 1 o'clock. So I got my 2 birds. I got a male and a female, and got it done before the snowstorm hits. I am one extremely happy Pennsylvania hunter. I'm so happy. Oh, this is by far one of the best days of hunting I've ever had. What an incredible experience. Look how gorgeous that bird is, man. That's one beautiful cockbird. Beautiful ringneck pheasant. Look at the colors on that beautiful bird. Man, they're so good eating too. Do you wrap that bird in bacon and put in the smoker? Oh man, that's mouth-watering. You talk about one tasty bird. This bird's beautiful. They're fun to hunt, and man, do they taste good. But I'm gonna take my time, walk back to the truck. How much you want to bet? I'll probably see a bunch of pheasants on the way out, and I can't shoot at them. It's alright, I'm extremely happy. I got my first female. I got 2 birds today. I got a male and a female. I got 2 shots, 2 birds, no misses today. No misses. Steel shot, 3-inch high breast steel shot. That's what I got the 2 pheasants with. Right there. High breast 3-inch steel shot. I normally use those for duck and goose, but that's why I brought it with in case, because they're open today too. So I figured in case I came across one, I'd use steel shot instead of lead shot. Alright, make sure the gun's empty. Alright, gun is unloaded. Safety still on just in case. Look at that, man. I had the whole mountainside to myself. I got here, nobody was here. I'm leaving, nobody's here. I had the entire mountainside to myself, man. Oh, fantastic.